Okay, so when I was about 8 or 9, my dad and I learned about Rubik's Cubes and we tried to solve them, but we didn't have the resources to do them well, or we didn't really understand the black and white descriptions in the books. But now there's great websites where you can learn how to solve pretty easily. And I thought I would do a video of myself solving one. It's great fun. It's educational. There's algorithms you can use. It's very straightforward. So it's a system, and systems can be understood and then used. So I will solve this messed up Rubik's Cube. Starting now. And I'm not competitive, so it might take a while. But it will be solved by the end of this. First set. Okay, so top and then the first 2 rows, and then the back. That's always a hard one for me, the bottom part. Then it's the outside corners. That's it. Yay!